Good morning, students. So in last class, we are learning about number system chapter 1 of your computer book. And we have practiced, we have learned about ASCII codes, different number system available, how we can convert binary to decimal and then decimal to binary. So all we have covered in last class, and today we will continue with the next number system, that is your octal number system. So as you all know, base value for octal number system is 8. Why? Because in octal number system we are having 8 digit starting from 0 up to 7. As you can see, a positional number system, every number system is a positional number system because हर डिजिट का अपना एक पोजीशन है. नेक्स्ट has 8 symbols or 8 digit starting from 0 up to 1 2 3 4 5 7, sorry 6 7, hence its value is 8. The maximum value of single digit is 7 less than the base value. Each position of digit represent a specific power of base 8. जैसे कि आप बाइनरी में हर एक कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते, with the base value 2, decimal में with the base value 10, in octal base value 8 we will take. Yes, so this is the example. So there are this thing you have to remember for each and every binary system, for each and every number system. Since there are 8 digits, 3 bits, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to sufficient. This is the very important thing you have to remember. For octal, we will have 3 bit of binary to represent. क्योंकि कंप्यूटर को तो सिर्फ बाइनरी समझ आता है, ठीक है. आप ऑक्टल पढ़ो, हेक्सा पढ़ो, डेसिमल पढ़ो, हर एक के लिए आपको बाइनरी कन्वर्जन तो आना चाहिए, ठीक है. क्योंकि कंप्यूटर में एट द एंड क्या होगा, बाइनरी कन्वर्जन होगा. अब अगर आप ऑक्टल लेते हो तो ऑक्टल में हमारे पास टोटल कितने बेस वैल्यू है, 8. इट मीन्स 2 रेज टू पावर 3, 2 इंटू 2, that will be 2 2 2 4, 4 2 8, that will be 8 only, but the number of bit required will be this. Now it means 0 0 0 equivalent to 0 in octal. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 will be 2. I will write this on whiteboard. That will be good for you to note it down also. Okay, so note this thing: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. ओके, अब मैक्सिमम 1 1 आ गया, इट मीन्स आपका 7 आ गया. नाउ इन ऑक्टल वी कैन राइट इट 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and last one is your 7. See, so this is your binary number system. अगर आप 1 लिख रहे हो, 2 लिख रहे हो, 3 लिख रहे हो, कंप्यूटर क्या है, ये बाइनरी. तो अगर आपने कंप्यूटर को पास ऑन किया 2, कंप्यूटर को कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला, वो क्या समझेगा, इसको कन्वर्ट करेगा, then it will understand 0 1 0 as 2. So this is the binary number system, and you can see on bit 1 2 3 सिर्फ 3 0 या 3 1 आपने यूज किए ना ऑक्टल रिप्रेजेंट के लिए. So this is the meaning, like in octal number system we required 3 bit representation of binary number system. Okay, now moving back to our presentation. So in this book, your book, you can see the first one, octal number system, and example is given decimal to octal. How you can convert decimal to octal? Okay, so with the help of board, I will explain this thing to all of you. So I will just take a new page, okay, and start explaining. So given in your book is 1 2 3 4 and so students, there is mistake in your book. number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in book it's written 1, 2, 3, 4. So everyone correct this thing. Okay. Next, we have to convert this decimal to octal. Okay. If you want to convert any number decimal to octal, what you have to do? Division method. If you remember, if we are converting decimal to binary, for that we have used divide by 2. Okay, because base value of binary is 2, right? But if we want to convert decimal to octal, same division method but divide by 8, because base value for octal is 8. Okay, now next we have to divide this number with 8. How we can do that? So आप divide करो, 8 ones are 8, remainder is 4, then 43 will be there, 8 fives are 43 will be remainder. So इस वे में आपको इसको divide करना है, ठीक है? तो अगर आप इसको complete divide करोगे, so you will get this thing 1 5 4 3 and remainder will be 7. So you have to write 7 in this way. Okay, next again आप इसको 8 से divide, so you will get 1 9 2 and here remainder 0. Again divide 192 by 8, so value will become, it will become 24 and then remainder will be 0. Again divide 24 by 8, so you will get 8 3s are 24 and remainder will be 0. Next, कुछ भी divide नहीं होगा. In the same way, from bottom to top you have to write your answer. Okay, and how you can write that one? Anyone? Yes, you have to write in this way. That will be your answer 30071. 3007 and this is your 1. Okay, I forget to put this one here because in this way remainder will be 1 then 7 then 0 0 0. Okay, okay, so this will be your answer. Now you have convert decimal to octal. Now base value for octal will be 10 and here you will write 1 2 4 5, base value will be 10 equal to this. So in this way you can write your answer. Is it clear? Decimal to octal. आपको decimal to binary समझ आया last class में, then it will be very easy for all of you to understand decimal to octal because same method, division method we have to use. Only difference is in base value. In octal we have to divide with 8. In binary we have to divide 2 and same method we will use in hexadecimal. So there we will divide with 16. Now I will continue with the next one. Okay, so we will move back to presentation. So we will complete for one more example here according to your book, octal to decimal. Okay, अगर आपको decimal से कुछ भी convert करना है, one more thing you have to write everyone. Just make a note of this thing so that you will not forget. Okay, so I will rub this complete board and just note it down, this thing. Decimal. Okay, decimal number system आपको given है and you have to convert it in binary or octal or hexadecimal. This will be very useful for all of you to understand this chapter in detail. Okay, so अगर आपको decimal से binary convert करना है, then you have to divide by 2. Okay, this method you have to use. Octal divide by 8 and hexa divide by 16. So remember this thing, if you want to convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, just divide the number with the base value. Okay, This thing you have to remember. Now, opposite of this one, what will be? So, opposite of this one, if you want to convert by octal and hexadecimal number system into decimal. ओके आप इसमें आपको इसमें से किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर विद 2, विद 8 एंड विद 16. ओके, अगर डेसिमल से कुछ कन्वर्ट करना है तो डिवीजन मेथड, और बाइनरी ऑक्टल हेक्सा को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है देन मल्टीप्लाई मेथड, बट द बेस वैल्यू विल रिमेन same always. Okay, now next example in your book, octal to decimal conversion. Now octal to decimal conversion we are having 45 in the example. This is your octal and we have to convert this in decimal. So as I have told you, octal, binary, hexa, किसी भी नंबर को अगर आपको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई मेथड यूज करना है. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई मेथड में इसका बेस वैल्यू क्या है 8. सो वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन दिस वे, 5 into 2 plus 4 into 8, sorry 5 into 8, sorry. Okay, starting from 0 and 1. Now we have to solve this thing. How you can solve? As you all know, any number raised to power 0 will be 1. So यहाँ पे आपका क्या आ जाएगा 5 into 1. Next, raised to power 1 will be the same number. So 8 and 4 will be here. When you will solve this thing, 8 4s are 32 plus 5, that will be equivalent to 37. So this is your answer. Now how you have to write this in your exam? 45 base 8 equal to 37 10, because we have converted into decimal. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, very good. Now moving to the last one, that is your hexadecimal number system. Okay, so next and last is your hexadecimal number system. This is also a positional number system. Total 16, 0 up to 15, and base value is 16 because total digit are 16, and symbol A, B, C, D, E, F represent decimal value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have told you this thing already. Okay, next. Each position of a digit represent a specific power of base 16, and we required 4 bits to represent any hexadecimal number system. Okay, so remember this thing, in octal we required 3 bit, in hexa we required 4 bit to represent hexadecimal number system. Okay, now with the help of example given in your book, we will continue. So just write this thing in hexa. We are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as we have in decimal, and 10 we represent with A, 11 with B, 12 with C, 13 with D, 14 with E, and 15 with F. Okay, and if we are saying we required 4 bit, means starting from 4, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 double triple 0 1 double 0 1. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Okay, so in this way you can represent hexadecimal number system using 4 bit of binary. Okay, so in octal 3 bit, in hexa 4 bit, and remember this thing also. Now we will do the conversion. So in conversion we are having first example, decimal to hexa. Okay. डेसिमल टू हेक्सा कन्वर्जन. सो अगर अभी अभी मैंने बताया कि अगर डेसिमल से आपको किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है, यू हैव टू यूज डिवीजन मेथड. मीन्स आपको 16 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. नाउ द नंबर गिवन इन योर बुक इज 4 5 5 and we have to convert into hexa. In same manner we will do the division. So when you will divide 16 4 5 5 with 16, you will get 28 and remainder will be 7 only. Next, with 1 it will get divided and remainder will be 12. So you have to write bottom to top 1 12 C. Now you will say, ma'am, in hexa we represent only 0 to 9 and then we start taking letters. Yes. So you will write 1 and 12 we represent with what? We represent with C. Okay. So we will write here C and 7. So this is your answer. So you can write in this way 455 decimal and this is your hexadecimal number system value. Is it clear? So in this way you can convert decimal to hexadecimal number system. Now the last one we are having hexa to decimal. So I have told you if you want to convert any number system into decimal, we have to use multiplication method. So hexa to decimal. So number given in your book, page number 18, A 37E. Okay, this number is given. So first of all, for each and every letter you have to write the decimal value. So as you all know, for A we are having 10, okay, and for E we are having 14. So we will write in the same way. So here we will write 10, 3, 7 and 14. Now we will start converting by multiply method. So how we can do? 14 into 16 raised to power 0. Then we are having 7 into 16 raised to power 1. Then I will rub this. A 3 7 E equal to 10 3 7 14. Okay. Now next we are having 3 into 16 power 2 and last we are having 10 into 16 power 3. Okay. So in this way we have to write. Now we will solve this one. Any number raised to power 0 will be 1. So we will write here 1. 16 raised to power 1 will be 16 only. So we will write 7 as it is. Now 16 raised to power 2. How you have to solve this one? 16 raised to power will be 16 into 16. That will be 256. So we will write here 256 into 3 and last we are having 16 raised to power 3 means 16 into 16 into 16. 3 बार आपको लिखना है and then that will be your 4096 into 10. Okay, now we have to solve this one. How? Multiply this one. It's 40960. When you will multiply 256 with 3, that will be 768. 16 sevens will be 112 and then 14. And after doing the addition, your answer will be 41854. Power will be 16 क्योंकि आपने इसको हेक्सा में कन्वर्ट किया है, सॉरी डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट किया है, so that will be, I'm sorry for that, and A37E, that is your hexadecimal number. In this way, you can do the conversion from hexa to decimal number system. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Okay, so in case of any doubt, just check with me in next class. First see this video, okay, and read your chapter also. Then I will clear your doubt. Take care, everyone. And one more thing for all of you from my side is that is nothing special, but thank you. Okay.